In life, we often have grand aspirations and lofty goals. We envision ourselves achieving greatness and making a significant impact. But sometimes, circumstances or limitations may prevent us from immediately accomplishing those monumental feats. But fear not, soldier. The key is to recognize that greatness is not solely defined by the scale or magnitude of our actions. It is also found in the way we approach and execute even the smallest tasks. Every action, no matter how small, presents an opportunity for excellence. Whether it's completing a simple assignment, assisting a teammate, or carrying out routine duties, you can infuse greatness into each and every act. By doing small things in a great way, soldier, you cultivate a mindset of excellence and set yourself apart from the average. Remember, soldier, greatness is not limited by the scope of the task, but rather by the effort, dedication, and attention to detail you bring to it. Having the desire to succeed is a common trait among individuals striving for greatness. However, it is the commitment to preparation that sets apart those who achieve their goals from those who merely dream of them. To reach your full potential, soldier, you must be willing to put in the work, the effort, and the preparation required for success. Preparation is a continuous process that involves discipline, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of improvement. While others may rely solely on their natural talents or fleeting motivation, you have the opportunity to prepare yourself diligently. Remember, soldier, success is not guaranteed by willpower alone. It is the result of consistent preparation, dedication, and a commitment to growth. So, embrace the will to prepare to win. Set goals, devise a plan, and take deliberate steps each day to improve yourself. Embrace the challenges, setbacks, and obstacles as opportunities for growth and refinement. If the current path you're on doesn't bring you fulfillment or happiness, it's within your reach to pave a new one. It takes courage and determination to forge a new road, but the rewards are immeasurable. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you, what brings you joy and purpose. Remember, soldier, you are not bound by the limitations of your past or the expectations of others. Embrace the process of self-discovery, take risks, and be willing to face challenges along the way. Paving a new road requires perseverance, resilience, and a belief in your own capabilities. Trust in yourself, soldier, and have faith that you can create a path that leads you towards a life of fulfillment and purpose. So if the road you're currently walking doesn't bring you satisfaction, have the courage to step off it and start paving another one. Your destiny is in your hands, and by forging your own path, you'll find the true fulfillment and happiness you seek. Perfection, soldier, is an elusive and unattainable standard. It's a relentless pursuit that can leave you feeling exhausted, inadequate, and constantly chasing an unattainable ideal. But here's the truth. You are already enough, just as you are. Instead of striving for an unattainable perfection, focus on showing up fully in each moment. Embrace the imperfections, the challenges, and the uncertainties that come your way. Find joy in the journey, soldier. Embrace the beauty of the imperfect moments, for it is in those moments that you discover your resilience, your strength, and your capacity for growth. Remember, soldier, life is not about reaching a destination of perfection. It's about experiencing the process, the ups and downs, and finding gratitude and joy in the midst of it all. So, soldier, let go of the need to be perfect. Show up, give your best effort, and embrace the imperfect moments with grace and resilience. Love is a powerful force, soldier. It can bring immense joy, connection, and fulfillment to our lives. But when love becomes one-sided, toxic, or devoid of mutual respect, it is crucial to have the strength and self-respect to walk away. Know your worth, soldier. Recognize when a relationship or situation is no longer serving your emotional well-being, growth, and happiness. Leaving the table, soldier, means making a conscious decision to prioritize your own well-being and happiness. It means acknowledging when the dynamics of a relationship have shifted or when love has faded. Remember, soldier, that love should be a two-way street. It should uplift, support, and nourish both parties involved. If love is no longer being served, it's time to gather your strength, courage, and dignity and walk away. So, soldier, listen to your heart and trust your instincts. Learn to leave the table when love's no longer being served. Stay true to yourself, soldier, Success is not just about external achievements or societal recognition. True success lies in liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Liking yourself, soldier, means embracing who you are as an individual. It means accepting your strengths, acknowledging your weaknesses, and nurturing a positive self-image. Liking what you do, soldier, is essential for a meaningful and fulfilling life. Find the work, the mission, or the purpose that aligns with your passions and values. Liking how you do it, soldier, emphasizes the importance of integrity, excellence, and a strong work ethic. Take pride in your efforts and approach your tasks with dedication and professionalism. So, soldier, prioritize self-acceptance, find joy in your work, and commit to excellence in your endeavors. Cultivate a sense of fulfillment by liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Embrace this mindset, soldier, and let it guide you on the path to true success. In life, setbacks and failures are inevitable. They can be disheartening, challenging our confidence and resolve. But it's essential to recognize that these experiences are not the end of the road. Learn from your mistakes, analyze what went wrong, and use that knowledge to refine your approach. Adjust your strategies, set new goals, and keep moving forward with renewed determination. Discouragement is another obstacle that you must confront and overcome. When faced with setbacks or challenges, it's natural to feel discouraged. Use discouragement as fuel to prove yourself wrong and push beyond your limits. Let it ignite a fire within you, spurring you to work harder, dream bigger, and persevere despite the difficulties. Soldier, don't be afraid of failure or discouraged by setbacks. Instead, view them as integral parts of your journey toward success. We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we'll screw up royally sometimes. But understand this, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. In our journey towards success, we must embrace the reality that mistakes and failures are inevitable. Soldier, it's important to remember that success is not a smooth and uninterrupted path. When we make mistakes or encounter setbacks, we have a chance to learn, grow, and improve. Soldier, do not fear failure or allow it to discourage you. Instead, embrace it as a stepping stone on your journey to success. Remember, failure is not a reflection of your worth or potential. It's a natural part of the path to success. Accept that you are human, soldier, and that you will make mistakes. But do not let those mistakes define you. Soldier, remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It's an integral part of it. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and let them propel you towards greater achievements. In life, no matter how accomplished, talented, or admirable you are, there will always be individuals who don't appreciate or understand you. It's a simple reality that not everyone will resonate with who you are or what you have to offer. There will always be those who hold different opinions, preferences, or perspectives. It's not a reflection of your worth or value as an individual. It's essential to understand that you cannot control the opinions or judgments of others. It's a futile endeavor to try and please everyone or seek validation from those who simply don't appreciate your unique qualities. Instead of dwelling on the negativity or criticism, channel your energy towards those who do appreciate and support you. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift, inspire, and celebrate your individuality. Remember, soldier, your worth is not determined by the acceptance or approval of others. Just like a captain who keeps their ship docked in port, a leader who focuses solely on preservation misses out on the opportunities that lie beyond the safety of familiar shores. True leadership requires venturing into the unknown, taking bold actions, and making difficult decisions. There will always be risks and uncertainties on the path to success, but it is through taking calculated risks that extraordinary achievements are made. As a leader, you must be willing to challenge the status quo, inspire your team, and push beyond perceived limits. Embrace innovation, encourage creativity, and be willing to adapt to changing circumstances. So, soldier, remember that leadership is not about playing it safe or preserving the current state of affairs. It's about taking risks, embracing challenges, and striving for progress. Only by venturing into the unknown can you lead your team to new heights and achieve remarkable success. In this journey we call life, It is natural to be influenced by others and to draw inspiration from those who have come before us. However, true greatness lies in embracing your unique voice, your individuality, and daring to be different. When you strive for originality, you push the boundaries of what is known and familiar. You challenge the status quo and break free from the constraints of imitation. It is through originality that new ideas are born, new paths are forged, and innovation thrives. Yes, soldier, the path of originality may be filled with obstacles and failures, but each failure is an opportunity for growth and learning. So, soldier, I encourage you to embrace your originality. Trust in your ideas, your passions, and your instincts. Be bold, take risks, and don't be afraid to challenge the norm. It is in your originality that you will find the greatest opportunities for growth, impact, and fulfillment. In the midst of life's challenges and hardships, it can be easy to lose sight of joy. We may become consumed by negativity, stress, or the weight of our responsibilities. Soldier, joy is a mindset, a perspective, and a conscious decision to focus on the positive aspects of life. It is about finding gratitude for the little things, appreciating the beauty around us, and embracing moments of happiness and laughter. Even in the face of adversity, we have the power to choose joy. It may not always be easy, but by consciously shifting our mindset and choosing joy, we can navigate through difficulties with resilience and strength. Remember, soldier, joy is not dependent on external circumstances. It comes from within, from cultivating a grateful and optimistic outlook. So, soldier, I encourage you to choose joy and keep choosing it every day. Seek out the moments that bring you joy, no matter how small they may seem. Many people settle for a mundane existence, trapped in their comfort zones and routines. They shy away from taking risks, pursuing their dreams, or stepping outside of societal expectations. But you, soldier, have the potential to break free from the chains of mediocrity. To truly live, soldier, is to embrace life's challenges, to pursue your passions wholeheartedly, and to make a difference in the lives of others. It is about seeking growth, constantly pushing your limits, and finding fulfillment in the pursuit of your goals. Embrace the beauty of life's uncertainties and allow them to shape you into a stronger, more resilient individual. Choose to live a life of purpose and meaning, soldier. Discover what truly brings you joy, what sets your soul on fire, and pursue it relentlessly. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you, who challenge you to become the best version of yourself. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. When you embark on the path to achieving your goals, soldier, you undergo a profound transformation. You develop resilience, determination, and discipline. You learn to overcome obstacles, face challenges head-on, and push beyond your limits. The rewards and accomplishments that come with achieving your goals may be significant, soldier. They may include recognition, material possessions, or personal achievements. Through the trials and triumphs, soldier, you cultivate qualities such as perseverance, self-belief, and the ability to adapt. So, soldier, while the tangible outcomes of achieving your goals may bring temporary satisfaction, it is the person you become in the process that carries lasting significance. Remember, soldier, the true measure of success lies not just in the attainment of goals, but in the growth, transformation, and personal development you experience on your journey. In life, there will always be those who doubt you, criticize you, or try to hold you back. But remember, soldier, their opinions and limitations have no power unless you allow them to. Instead of seeking validation or permission from others, focus on your own inner strength and determination. The question should never be about who is going to let you pursue your dreams and aspirations. You possess the power within you to overcome obstacles, push through barriers, and defy any limitations that stand in your way. Don't let the opinions or doubts of others dictate your path. Rise above the noise and trust in your abilities. Embrace a mindset of relentless determination and perseverance. Believe in yourself, your vision, and your capabilities. Remember, soldier, you are the captain of your own destiny. The power to succeed resides within you. So instead of worrying about who is going to let you, focus on showing the world that there is no one who can stop you from achieving greatness. Attention, viewer. As the Master Chief, I have a simple request for you. If you have found value, inspiration, or enjoyment in the video you are currently watching, I kindly ask for your support. Sharing is a powerful act that allows ideas to spread, messages to reach a wider audience, and communities to come together. So, if this video has resonated with you, if it has stirred something within your heart, I encourage you to share it with others. Whether it's through social media, word of mouth, or any other means available to you, your simple act of sharing can make a significant difference. It can reach those who may need this message the most, those who are searching for guidance, motivation, or a renewed sense of purpose. Remember, we are not alone in this journey. Together, we can create a ripple effect that transcends boundaries and brings people together in pursuit of a better tomorrow. So, my friend, if you appreciate the video you are watching, I humbly ask for your support. Share it with others, and let us ignite the flames of inspiration and change within the hearts of many. Together, we can make a lasting impact on the world we share.